marketing on Facebook caught my attention. So Affordable Interiors has some nice before and afters that we were able to see, and also kind of drew me in with a good price point and got us into the door. And so everything was very smooth, very friendly staff all around, from the first people that came out to measure the space to going to the showroom and picking out our features. And then also I was a little bit concerned that my selections wouldn't be the most stylish or remain stylish for a good amount of time. It worked out very well. We had a designer at Affordable Interiors that was able to kind of walk us through and go over my choices with us. She kind of helped to steer me towards the things that were in our budget and also the things that flowed well together. After picking everything out, it was super easy. She sent us the design specs and then ordered all of the materials. With us doing this during the COVID pandemic, it made things a little bit trickier, but it worked out. We got our kitchen and we got everything done and all the finishes that we wanted, so everything's great.